In today's video, I'll show you how to install an RTX style graphics mod to enhance GTA 4 visuals. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the GTA 4 RTX and select this release on the right side and scroll down. Install using the installer. Select this first link and after start downloading, select the second link. And now check my video description for this another site link, Fusion Fix. Select this three line on the right top and select links and select download Fusion Fix web installer. After download done, select this folder icon. First, you need to install the Fusion Fix web installer. Just right click and select run as administrator. Select more info and select run anyway option. And select yes option. Select this browse for another folder and navigate to GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option and select the path we selected. After installation done, just close and now create a new folder. Name it as whatever you want and just drag and drop these two files, compatibility mod and compatibility mod installer. Drag and drop these both files inside the created folder and now open the folder. Right click on the installer and select run as administrator. Select more info and select run anyway option. Yes option. And now you need to navigate to the game folder. Select the game.exe file that you use to launch the game and select open option and select the yes option. Yes again and select OK. Select the yes option and select the download option and install this. This is recommended. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select pen drawer and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, double click on the DirectX setup and select yes option, select accept and select next. Select the finish option and after this installation done, just minimize this. Installation complete. Now you can launch GTA 4. Click on OK. Before launching the game, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location and open this command line.txt and press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager and go to Performance. In this list, select your GPU. In my case, I have 16 GB VRAM. You just need to type how much GB VRAM you have. Available video mem. For me, it's 16 GB, so I'm gonna type 16,000. In my case, for example, I'm saying for 6 GB VRAM, type 6000. For 8 GB VRAM, type 8000 and then select file and select save. And now the settings will be saved. Just close stuff here and launch the game. Press the Alt X key to open up this RTX menu. And you can change the graphics settings in here. DLSS frame generation mode, setting to 4x. Enable DLS frame generation and graphics. I'm gonna set it to max. After changing all the graphics settings, select this save settings option and the settings will be saved. This will save above settings in and this will take effect on next launch. So just close stuff here. I'm gonna close the game and reopen it. I will show you before and after comparison. You can easily compare both of this with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.